Hello, my name is Sharon Pulido. Today I'm going to describe my friend. She is my friend Sharon Alexandra Guzman Velasquez. She is 70 years old. She lives with her mother and her cat. Her favorite part of the house is her room since it her safe place. Favorite animal is the cat and her favorite color is the black. She is tall and thin girl. She has the parent she has the hair parent pink. She has brown eyes. On a casual day, she cooks new dishes that she sees on YouTube. She usually goes to visit her sister and her boyfriend on weekends. Her favorite season is winter. She lives in Colombia. She have one sister. Her birthday is July 3. She likes English and she studies. Her email address is alexandraguzman@gmail.com. Goodbye, teacher. Thanks for your attention. I hope you like my presentation. Bye. Bye.